What up, dudes? Probably a long-waited update, but we are at the farm. But we're ready to do some cutting. Kim, the chainsaw maniac. Let's do this. All right. I know we should be using safety precautions to be cutting all this because we are some professional idiots. But if I'm gonna get hurt, I'm gonna get hurt with my family here. So they'll take me to the hospital. I'll be right back. I gotta get bar oil for the chain. All right, let's see how much out of this I can spill. Why is there hills?
Two.
Huh?
Why there's two tripods?
Two tripods?
Yes.
So we can get two angles. Mommy want to do her content also. We all want to be internet famous. What was the price? You remember?
300 something.
Okay, so my wife got this electric chainsaw off the TikTok shop for 300 ringgit. So that's like less than 100 US dollars, right?
More than 300.
More than 300, but less than 400, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's less than 100 US dollars. It's got two batteries of, I don't know, it says 2188 VF, which that don't make any sense, but 8,000 milliamp hours, so. I don't know. I don't find it too impressive, but let's see what it can do. Just first cut. Not bad. Not bad. All this wood is pretty soft. Been sitting here for a while. It's got mushrooms all through it, but okay, we can make firewood out of this.
Proceed.
Yeah, that's impressive. Not bad. This ground is so soft.
Do you have to put force on it?
Huh?
Do you have to put strength on your arm?
No, not at all. I'm just rocking it back and forth. I'm just letting the weight of the saw cut through it. The blade's quite sharp.
Cool.
Yeah, I think he did a pretty good job at this, bye.
You can burn it.
Now you can cut it into
Let me try this.
manageable sizes.
Let me try this. This is up.
Yeah, I'm not forcing it any at all. I'm just letting it go through. The weight's pretty heavy though, honestly. It feels like a small limb saw for the weight.
Right here it says soft.
Oh, I'm gonna get hot wearing this black buzzu. That wasn't smart. Okay, so my first few cuts impression is it weighs quite a bit. You'd think that a electric chainsaw would be lighter than a gasoline one, but Honestly, this is about the same. And it doesn't give you very high RPMs, so it cuts pretty slow in a sense, but it doesn't bog down any. There's lots of torque to the engine. So I think it's alright for what we're doing, but if we were trying to do anything serious, like with some wet trees, because this is all dry and dead and rotten, but if we were to try cutting something live, I don't think this would have enough guts to get through it. But and so far, it says I only used 2% battery life on what, 4 cuts that I've made. So that's not too bad. But I need Kim up here to cut this grass. Kim! Mommy, cut up here. I can't walk in here. Need this cut. I need all the grass up here cut. Okay, thank you. And I made a huge mistake by wearing black. This ain't easy work. Any project that you're doing, you're trying to record it, you're constantly adjusting your cameras, and then you got to edit. But you know, these people that make these YouTube video content or TikTok content and getting money for it, yeah, it's tough work, honestly. You got to figure you got one hand on the camera, one hand on the chainsaw. Yeah, of course I got a tripod, but still, it's extra work. So this is something that's very underwhelming. This also came from TikTok shop, and it uses the same battery type, but it's definitely no brush cutter that we had, like our dedicated backpack brush cutter. Use it one-handed. Ooh, there's some wood. Okay, so it doesn't cut through wood. Even though it's a saw.
For 75 ringgit.
Yeah, not bad. I mean, it cuts. It doesn't cut through wood though. Alright, that's a little bit slow, but not bad. Just separate it. pretty significant piece. I wonder how you cut it. See how it like bows down there and then comes up and bows back down? Do I just cut it in the center? What do I do?
I guess.
Stuck in there though. It's starting to close up. I don't know. Have to get the grass off the road.
Take overnight. Dale, take. What?
So, this might be it, but we're going to call it a cut. The sun's real hot. We're working in the shade right now, which is okay, but it's still real hot out there. As you can tell, I'm melting under this condition. But we got this cut down, so at least the road's nice. If people drive by, they see they have a place to pull off to the side. But thanks for watching. I think we'll just cut it here and put something together for you later. All my hard work, all up in smoke.